Welcome back to Automotive World, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 2025, a car that redefines performance. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is a beast on the road. It's powered by a formidable 6.2-liter turbocharged V8 engine that generates a whopping 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This monstrous engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, allowing for lightning-fast gear shifts and optimal power delivery. With this setup, the Camaro 1 ZL1 proves stereotypes are as good as garbage thanks to its great handling and sharp steering. But the Camaro 1 ZL1 isn't just about raw power. It comes packed with a plethora of advanced features that cater to both performance enthusiasts and tech-savvy drivers. That's it for our look at the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro 1 ZL1. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automotive World for more car reviews and news. Until next time, drive safe.